excuse me.
You okay, Bill Bill?
I don't know. My trunk is all stuffy.
Don't be scared, Tilly. It's just a little sneeze.
Hey, Bailey, I think you're, sick. You okay, Bill Bill?
Oh, maybe I am sick.
Bailey is sick. We need to take care of him. And everyone should wash their hands so they don't get sick too.
We will take care of you, Bailey, so you can feel better really soon. Oh, clickety clock. What time is it, big kids?
Time to eat!
Yay!
Hey, but first, let's wash our hands.
Oh, good idea, Kip.
Thanks. I'm full of them.
Come on, Tilly. Let's wash our hands.
Yeah.
Oh,
You okay, Bill Bill?
I don't feel like eating.
But applesauce is your favorite.
Yeah, I know. I'm just not hungry.
What's it, toy? Come on. What's it, toy? Always has what we need when we need it.
Catch him.
Oh, sorry, what's it?
What's that?
It's medicine for Bailey. Medicine helps you get better when you're sick.
Oh, but this medicine smells icky. Do I have to take it?
It's important to take your medicine so you can feel better.
Well, I do want to feel better.
We want you to feel better, too.
Tastes like grapes.
Now you feel better, too.
Thanks, what's it?
Bye.
Bailey is getting a sticker for taking his medicine.
A gold star for my chart. Cool. Thanks, Stickity Bot.
Now that Bailey has taken his medicine, he needs to rest.
Oh, good. That's the easy part. I love to rest.
Rest now, Bailey.
Thanks, Franny.
Snarly will rest with you.
Oh, thank you, Lulu.
Oh, I know what'll help you rest. A joke.
Oh,
Let me think of one. Oh, I got it. Okay. What do you call a dinosaur that's asleep?
I don't know.
I don't know, Kip.
A dino snore. Get it?
I get it. Funny joke, Kip.
Yep. I'm full of them.